Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing what's going on in your love life. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So let's see what's going on, what's on your side Scorpios. So on your side we have the Tower. Okay, something unexpected is happening, either it is happening or you can expect it to happen, so just be prepared. We'll see what that is about. Okay, and let's see what's on your person's side Scorpios. On your person's side we have the Four of Pentacles. So this person is closed off. uh, I don't know if that is a Tower moment for you, that they've suddenly withdrawn. Maybe that we'll see that. The most likely outcome is the High Priestess. Okay, so no action, just going within, trying to listen to your inner voice and trying to figure out as to what to do with something like that. So let's see, clarify this Tower. Why is this Tower here for? So for the Tower we have the Five of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Two of Swords. So definitely something has happened between both of you, some sort of a fight, some sort of an argument, something has happened, maybe some sort of a manipulation, something has happened over here which is really I think making you give it a second thought. Okay, you are in a mode of trying to take a decision as to what should be done now, and with the Nine of Pentacles being there, you are just trying to focus on yourself, trying to come out of what has happened, trying to deal with this Tower moment. And it has happened because of some sort of a conflict or an argument in this relationship. But the thing is, the best part is the Nine of Pentacles, you are really focusing on yourself, you are really trying hard to come out of it. Whatever it is, you are just really beautifully handling it. Let's see what is this Four of Pentacles about on your person's side. So for the Four of Pentacles we have the Four of Cups, the Eight of Swords, and the Seven of Swords. Okay, so this person is really upset over something, and it's really hard for this person to come out of whatever is holding them back. And with the Seven of Swords, this person is not opening up. So what I feel here is this person is totally closed off from you. They are not showing them you their emotions, and the reason is they really have something going on in their life, either in the past or with this relationship, but there is something which is really holding them back also. It's not easy for them, and yes, this person is doing something secretly, or maybe this person is sort of manipulative. Either this person is non-committing, they are sneaky, and some sort of lies or some deception is going on this person's side. That is why they are closed off. They're hiding something from you, actually, for whatever the reason is, but yes, they are hiding. As the most likely outcome, we have the High Priestess. So let's see, why is this High Priestess here for? So for the High Priestess, we have the Justice, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Judgment. Okay. So what I feel here is that some sort of truth has, I think, come up. It's coming up is the most likely outcome. So what I feel is, I think either you want justice, some sort of balance to be restored in this relationship, though love is there with the Knight of Pentacles, but I really don't see any movement forward in this direction. Perhaps you are waiting for some sort of, or even both of you are waiting for some sort of balance to be restored in this relationship. Some sort of a decision is being called to made, as I'm seeing here with the Two of Swords and the Five of Swords. After whatever has happened over here, you are trying to take a decision. So maybe it is a time to take a decision with the Justice and the Judgment being there, in light with whatever you know now. So some truth has come up, that's what I feel, which has been a Tower moment for you, and now you are just contemplating, as I said, as should you really you are in a mode of deciding again. That's what I said. You're in a mode of deciding again, should I go with this person or not. Okay, so it is talking about a major decision which has to be made. You're listening to your inner voice for that. Even though love is there, I really don't see, at least for now, anything moving forward. But yes, it is the time to just listen to your intuitions, go within and see what happens. So I really don't see any decision being made in this scenario. But yes, it is a time taken off from each other. It's a break in the relationship as such, and both of you trying to figure out as to what to do. I think more on your side, Scorpios, because this has come as a shock and a disbelief for you. Some sort of air has been cleared, though it was shocking, but still I think you are happy for the fact that, okay, whatever has happened, I have come to know about it in time. The truth has come out in time, and now I can take the right decision. I'm getting that sort of a vibe with this reading, with the Nine of Pentacles being very, very prominent over here, in spite of this Tower. So guidance is express your love through gifts. A small token of love can convey great appreciation. Number 19 may be of some significance for you. So if somebody here needs to really sort out and talk in this situation, this person really has to make an effort to show love in whatever way they can. So Scorpios, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.